you're a happy person, your spouse may not like it. You don't believe me, right? How can your spouse not like it? Everybody like happy people? No. Just imagine that you're happy all the time. Just imagine that you're happy at your home. You just come back meeting your friend. You are driving, singing the song. You come back, ring the bell. You're very happy, and your wife open the door, and you say, "Hey, hi, honey, I'm back home." What is she gonna tell you? "Oh, great! You seem very happy. I think you had a great time." First thing, she might doubt you, or second thing, she'll say, "Okay, go fetch something from the supermarket. Go get that. Go do this, do that." You'll have a lot of things to do. Now imagine you ring the bell and you make a face. Oh, very tired. I'm so tired. Can you get me a glass of water, please? She will immediately get you a glass of water. She'll say, "Okay, honey, I think you're not well. You're very tired. What can I do for you?" Similarly, if you're a woman, you had great time, shopping with your friends, going out and everything. Now you come back home. Imagine you open the door, when your spouse open the door, you show up that you're very happy. Yeah. What will he expect? He expect something, because throughout the day he was managing kids. Now you need to manage kids because you're very happy. Now imagine you go back after the same shopping, you ring the bell and you have a sad face and you say, "Honey, I had a very tiring day." What is the response you'll get? Don't worry, you sit down. I know you had a hard day, so we'll order food from from outside. We'll order food, we'll go out, and no talking about managing kids. It's fine. So many a time we human beings play on this psyche. If we show our happy side all the time, one thing we don't get is attention. Other thing, people think, "Oh, you are happy anyways, you don't need them." Yeah, this happens that many a time we create this idea in our head that if we are happy all the time, there's a cost we need to pay. If you don't believe me, I just want you to think just for a while. Imagine if you are happy all the time, what is the cost you need to pay? I know there's no cost, okay? Maybe if you think there's no cost, okay, I agree to that. But just for the sake of it, just think, just for fun, what's the cost you need to pay when you're happy?